Hey, thanks for checking out my video today. I'm making chicken enchiladas, and there's a lot of different things you can put inside of them if you want. I'm just going to put refried beans and chicken in mine, but you could do tomatoes, you could do black olives, you could do onions, you could put sour cream on the inside. I'm going to put sour cream on the top after they come out of the oven. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got about 3 cups of chicken breast here. And you can use rotisserie, you can use leftover chicken that you have. This is just some chicken that I had baked and chopped up that I keep on hand for salads and stuff like that. And I'm just going to add some taco seasoning to it. Okay, and then the refried beans, I'm going to doctor those up a little bit so that they taste better than just a plain old can of refried beans. I've got a whole can there. I'm going to put about 1/3 cup of sour cream in with them. And about a cup of cheese blend. It's a Mexican cheese blend. I'm going to microwave this just for about 30 seconds so it's stirrable. Okay, so I ended up microwaving this for more like a minute. Just mix it all together now. I'm going to take a tortilla, put some beans in there. Chicken in there. Roll it up. I'm going to put it in a this is kind of a small batch. I'm not doing a real big batch. It's just me and my husband. So if you're feeding a bunch of people, you're going to need probably, if you're doing refried beans, you're going to probably need 2 cans. And more like 5 cups of chicken. Now I'm using the big tortillas, but you could use these are considered extra large tortillas. You could use smaller ones if you wanted to. Okay, so we've got 4 in there. This is going to be enough for, it's probably going to be too much for me and my husband to eat. Both of these will probably end up eating just 1, but then we'll have some leftovers. So I've got a can of Old El Paso enchilada sauce here. I'm just going to pour over the top. Okay, and then I've got an 8-ounce bag of Mexican blend cheese. And I'm going to use the whole thing because there's no cheese on the inside, so we want to have a lot on the outside. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes until the cheese is nice and bubbly and everything's hot. And then we're going to serve it up. Okay, our enchiladas are out of the oven. They took about 30 minutes at 350. So there it is. I'm just going to put some sour cream on there. And that's it. Super easy. delicious, easy. I know it's not your authentic enchilada, but it's delicious and it's easy to make and it's thrifty to make. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will put the recipe in the description and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.